guys, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes once again here to show you how to make a couple little holiday snacks that are very easy, pretty darn tasty, and very cute. So the first one I'm going to show you is reindeer pretzels. You're going to take some pretzel sticks. These are the honey wheat pretzel sticks. You're going to take some icing. You can buy it or make it, whatever. Put a blob between the two at the bottom and connect them. Just smush them together. You're going to put a couple blobs halfway up on either side, and then your third pretzel stick goes across just like that. Add a couple more little dollops of icing, and those are going to become Rudolph's eyes. Add a couple little mini chocolate chips, one to each spot, and those eyes are done. And then for the nose, just take a red M&M, press it into the blob of icing at the bottom. That's it. Pretty darn easy, right? And very cute. The icing is soft at this point, so you can't pick them up. You need to let it sit for a little bit or put it in the refrigerator for maybe like half an hour, and that will make the icing firm up, so then you can pick them up and they'll stay in one piece. Otherwise, if you try to move them now, they're going to fall apart on you. So once again, connect the two at the bottom, connect your crossbeam, have your blob of icing for the eyes with a little mini chip, and a little M&M for Rudolph's nose, and there you go. Tasty and easy. This one is also very easy, and my kids loved it. They thought it was so good, they wanted me to make many more of them. You take a strawberry. These are going to be Santa Claus strawberries. Take a strawberry, cut off the bottom and the top just like you saw, but save that little tip to make his hat. I just swirled some icing around half of it and then down the front to make his beard come down. Put a little ball on top for his hat. 2 mini chocolate chips to make Santa's little eyes, and yeah, that's it. It's like so easy, and they loved it. They said it was so good to have the little bit of icing with a strawberry. They wanted me to make a whole bunch for Christmas. I'm like, you're just gonna eat them all in 2 minutes. Anyway, do it again. Yes, so you cut off the top and bottom, put your icing in, put that little dollop on top for his hat, add a couple little chocolate chips, and if you want to take it a little bit of a step further, you could do this. I just took that little grass or leafy part, cut a little red nip off of it with my knife, and just put it right between his eyes, so now he's got a little red nose, which kind of does make it cuter. So yeah, you could do that too. Yeah, you don't have to, but either way, I've got a couple more of these Christmas treat videos coming out, so you can see all that good stuff in there. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you try it. I'd like to know. Thanks, bye.